World business analysts at last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are defective and unsteady. The world necessitates a significantly more steady and dependable money. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning sustainability and scalability. Notwithstanding, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. Over and over, the cross-breed agreement component of blockchain and different tokens rotating around it has likewise been in warmed conversations. Before we dive into the TEZOS cost expectation, let us view a portion of the interesting elements of TEZOS. In any case, not very many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Colossal exchange charges and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in logically evolved stages. Numerous digital currencies neglected to review these issues. Digital forms of money like TEZOS has bit by bit plagued the standard awareness and got forward movement. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so gave it sees a mass reception. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity obvious to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of TEZOS depends on zero divulgence proof, consequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange method, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Putting the power eventually in the possession of the client, TEZOS has normal overhaul plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the changed use instances of today and the unexpected use instances of tomorrow. TEZOS can trap deceitful or false exchanges by peers, wherein an affirmed block can follow the previous block. The bygone voyage. Likewise with some other advanced cash, TEZOS XTZ is the subject of totally various perspectives. Certain individuals like TEZOS, while others don't lean toward it much. XTZ is viewed as quite possibly of the most discussed advanced money. Certain individuals think the venture misses the mark on approach plan and the dubious PR tricks of its pioneer. By the by, there are a ton of other people who really put stock in XTZ cost expectation. Right now, XTZ cost is exchanging around $3.80, with a practically 3% climb throughout the course of recent hours. The market capitalization of TEZOS is $3,360,141,385 with $876,591,071.11 XTZ circling presently. Since its origin, the token has been contending hard areas of strength for and its opponent digital currencies. On more than one occasion in the year 2020, it had seen the most noteworthy acceleration in cost around $4. In any case, this pattern didn't keep going long and tumbled to $1.03. By November 2020, the TEZOS XTZ cost confronted a rectification and penetrated a functioning help level, yet shockingly pandemic appeared to be not to influence TEZOS. Going against the norm, it showed an out-and-out various development. In June 2020, it kept on having a vertical swing, with TEZOS cost exchanging around $2.07. During the start of the last year, the XTZ coin was exchanging beneath $2, with gigantic bullish energy. Around last May, TEZOS has denoted another high of $7.5 in the midst of huge unpredictability. From that point onward, it tumbled to the low of around $2.15 in the last mid-July. Nonetheless, from that point forward, the XTZ has checked slow cost rise, and on October 4, 2021, it enlisted an unequaled high of $9.18. Notwithstanding, in the wake of hitting an ATH, it confronted colossal negative strain and recorded its ceaseless fall till date. Going by the specialized cost investigation, TEZOS has shown gigantic potential reliably performing and recuperating the lost worth. XTZ today denotes an impressive energy, prompting a seriously bullish example supported areas of strength for buy. TEZOS price prediction. 2022 to 2026. Contending and supporting in the extreme business sectors, XTZ is a computerized cryptographic money that has raised its own height, being known as an advanced or virtual resource, with no planned operations or state borders limitations. One cryptographic money will not show homage focal government pressures or be affixed in imperfect and administrative financial shackles. Pandemic has brought to front a mechanical upset as shown a guide to financial backers as XTZ and thinks about what. All with simply a web association and a cell phone. TEZOS has made it workable for everybody to store and move esteem in a money that is impervious to control. TEZOS saw the potential chance to remove power from the organizations and offer a superior support, and individuals answered. XTZ works generally, i.e., interestingly, there is plausible of a worldwide cash. With a really worldwide money, opportunities for worldwide financial development and social fairness are unending. Supported by an improved decentralized accord and built-up network, XTZ means to offer a well-established benefit to its clients by circulating its prizes component. The vision is to help the decentralized applications in XTZ, consuming lesser energy and offering greater unwavering quality, all with a soaring rate. No different either way, this vision is accomplished by giving the ceaseless limit of XTZ's principal organization. Endeavoring to impact the world guide of innovation, the whole environment guarantees that members benefit from blockchain-empowered useful benefits. XTZ works with gains and fabricates trust. XTZ empowers accommodation and sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized app capabilities. When the engineers join the unit, they are profited from an immense scope of freedoms, incorporating conveying gap in TEZOS net, developing their organizations dramatically building up forward momentum as powerhouses and naturally suspected pioneers. It wouldn't be a distortion that this evaluated digital currency could break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $10. With government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic, this could come as a relief for all XTZ financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and desires to execute in TEZOS. For instructive purposes, one might peruse the specialized examination with RSI level, groups, and so on, and news reports of the crypto market, and continue to follow the XTZ coin cost figure at regular intervals. TEZOS Price Prediction 2023. The geniuses cut the usefulness behind TEZOS digital money. Thus, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to quit slacking with different coins to show up at a $6.8 cost. Financial backer.